This is me. This is Lily from New Woman. And good morning to you. This is what I look like when I wake up in the morning with my puppy. Hey, say good morning, puppy. And say hey. We don't look like much when we wake up, do we? Do we, puppy? Hey? But wait till you see us later on. Hey? We can make ourselves feel good, or we can make ourselves feel. So today, when we wake up, we want to make ourselves feel great and beautiful.
Circumstances, that's the subject for today. Look beyond your circumstances and see what you can do. Like for example, this iPad. I wanted an iPad. This is the one that's recording right now. And I got it absolutely free. Isn't that amazing? Just because I look beyond the circumstances to think, how can I get an iPad? And I got it for absolutely free. So the circumstances that we're just talking about right now is to always see beyond what your circumstances are. Like for example, do something, like go and bake the best pie, go and sew the best outfit or design something beautiful that no one has ever designed. Go and create a automobile, like a new engine or something that you have green fingers as well. You know, you could have green fingers and plant the best plants. It's amazing and it's unlimited. So the circumstances of what you're looking around at yourself right now is not what you see, but what you want to see. Look beyond your circumstance and see what you want to see. What can you do? What can you do right now that'll change your circumstance? Take the freedom that you have at home. Take that freedom after you come home from work, instead of sitting in front of the TV, instead of going through Facebook and catching up with whatever. Take that opportunity to get into the kitchen and maybe create something like a pie that no one else has created. Beautiful that we are all gifted, we are all talented in some way. Maybe you love to sketch or paint or whatever, but you could be a genius hidden in there somewhere. So take the freedom that you have and use of it. Do something with it. You could do more for yourself than you can ever imagine. Our minds are unlimited to what we can do. Our hands are gifted. We are so blessed with these hands. So there you go. This is Lily from New Woman, giving you some ideas on circumstances. There are links below this video that I would like you to check out. This is something we just love doing from home. We love doing it. It gives us the freedom to do what we want as well. So these are the links that you need to click on. And if you like it, like we do, join it. So there's another button that you can click on to subscribe to more videos. I hope you enjoy these videos because we enjoy making them for you. And you know what? It's not what you see, is it? Because you just don't know what's behind all this, making these videos. There's a lot of grumbling and growling and blah, 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 whatever you like to think. But just like making movies, you see movies after they're made. Like this video here right now, I tell you what, circumstances are not what you see. You know, think beyond. Think something beautiful is going to come. Making this video is absolutely awesome. I have a lot of fun making it because it's like being an actress, of course, because really behind the scenes is not what you see. You know, the guy that's doing this video is annoying. He is really annoying. I just want to get behind the other side and just beep, 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 you know, do whatever. It's so making a video is quite funny, and it has its times where you just want to cry and just scream and do all sorts of silly things, but that's what it takes to make a great video. So do enjoy making videos for yourself as well, like we do.